Few people are prepared for a sudden healthcare crisis or know their options for long-term care needs as they age, or how to pay for it without spending everything they've worked for. I started this law firm to fill a need I found when my own family faced a healthcare crisis that forced us to very quickly find answers to all these kinds of questions. 2 years ago, alone in his home, my father fell and became instantly a quadriplegic, and I had no idea what to do. I had over 10 years of experience in Washington, D.C., back home in Louisville, representing some of the world's biggest corporations, high-profile clients, and I faced a situation where I did not know how to help my own dad. While doctors help with the medical side of things, patients and families are often left on their own to figure out how to manage everything else. At the very moment, you are overwhelmed with fear and grief.
A person who is new to this has no concept of the legalities that are involved or what's available, or things like special trusts or trust for these individuals. And they are already just overwhelmed with the care and trying to understand how they're going to take care of this.
The truth is, very few people plan for a catastrophic injury. People tend to avoid preparing for the inevitable end of life altogether, which can cause great hardship for the people we love and want to protect the most. So I decided to use the expertise I gained from more than a decade as a litigation attorney, representing large corporations facing very complicated legal issues, to become an advocate and champion for people and families like mine.
It's a challenge, but having someone who can help you to navigate the system and figure out how you can get things done while you're recovering is humongous.
There are a few attorneys who can help you navigate the complicated legal, financial, and logistical issues you face after a traumatic injury or medical crisis, or to help you prepare for such an emergency. Even fewer attorneys have been in your shoes and know the grief and panic that can hit instantly. I designed Tupper Butler Law to fit the needs of families in crisis. I know what it's like to care for a loved one in the ICU and rehab while trying to meet the demands of a career and be present for your own family. I will come to you wherever you are, whenever you need me. Nobody wants to think about not being here with the people we love. But as we learned, having a plan in place is crucial, no matter what your family looks like, your financial status, or your age. I know that every family has a unique set of circumstances, all with different needs and goals. We work with you to find the solutions that fit the needs of your family. Now, on the other side, I can tell you there is joy in every day. This is a different normal, but my dad is thriving and enjoying his life, and it is life. This is what I want other people who face a crisis, traumatic injury, or illness to know. There is still joy available in every day, and having been there, I want to help bring that to you.